What happens if a non-Indian commits a crime against me on Muskogee Creek Nation tribal land? My name is Ted Hasse. I'm an attorney practicing in federal and tribal courts in Indian country in Oklahoma. Uh, so, in the short answer is they'll be prosecuted if you're Indian and you are a crime is committed to you against you by a non-Indian within the Muskogee Creek Nation reservation. There is what we call concurrent jurisdiction over that non-Indian, uh, you know, with all of the county district attorney's offices and municipalities within the Muskogee Creek Nation. It depends on where it happened, but let's say it happens in something happens in Tulsa. Tulsa County District Attorney can charge them. Uh, Also, there may be jurisdiction depending on the charge in tribal court. And an example of that is, here's where it normally comes up is in domestic violence cases. If somebody who's a member of the Muskogee Creek Nation is assaulted or a crime is committed against them that is defined broadly under as domestic violence, even if they're non-Indian, they can be called into court at Muskogee Creek Nation to face those charges. So those people aren't missing out either. Additionally, for these individuals, there's federal jurisdiction. So with serious crimes, oftentimes we're seeing these people, non-Indians, who are accused of committing crimes against Indians. There'll be federal jurisdiction within the Muskogee Creek Nation. They can be charged there too. So there's oftentimes, usually, oftentimes there's three different courts where a non-Indian can be charged if they commit a crime against a member of the Muskogee Creek Nation or any other anybody who's a member of any federally recognized Indian nation. If your loved one is the victim of a crime and needs representation to assert your victim's rights, we're happy to talk to you about what your options are. My name is Ted Hasse again, and we can be reached at 918-932-2800.